Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Audio Technica earbuds with your Android phone. And to do this we have to just go to the settings on our device. There we go. Next it's time to open the case and remove left and the right earbud. After a few seconds they will be automatically in the pairing mode, as you can see, so we don't even have to press on any buttons. And we have to go to the connected devices, open the Bluetooth and select your Audio Technica ATH-SQ1TW. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.